Hey Planty fam, I've had a couple tonight, but I just got in this new box from NSE Tropicals, and this is a unicorn. Let's open it up. Let's go. So for this unboxing, we're going to open up this box from NSE. If anyone's bought from them before, you know that they grow some pretty wicked cool plants. And this one, a lot of people would say, is the holiest of holy grails. It's a Spiritus Sancti. This philodendron is native to like one particular area of Brazil. I'm not gonna tell you what I paid for it, but I felt good about it. This packaging, she's pretty stellar. There is no dirt falling out of this. Let's just get it opened because had a beer or two. So this Spiritus Sancti, she grew these from seed. I'm assuming, I don't know this for certain, that she got a inflorescence on her mother plant and was able to get some seed off of it. Oh, she did a really good job packing this. Wow, she's a beaut. So if you Google Spiritus Sancti, this is a very juvenile form of this plant. The adult leaves are much different than this. They get very, very long and narrow and have a lancet shape, but this one is much different in shape. I have seen adult specimens of this sell for a lot of money. She's very pretty though. Very excited about her. Get her to grow up and look beautiful. Looks pretty good. There is All right, thanks for joining us today while we unbox this beautiful Spiritus Sancti from NSE Tropicals. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.